Hello, my little star, how are you all? Now, in this part, we will learn about the last part of the chapter 4, that is the internet web browser. In this part 3, we will learn about the term related to internet, search engine, and uses of internet. So, let's get started. As usually we always do, we first take a recap. So here we are going to have a look on part 2 video. What we have learned in part 2, we have learned about the what is browser, parts of browser windows. In parts we have learned about address bar, title bar, refresh button, favorite, control button, menu bar, display window, back and forward, tab, vertical horizontal scroll bar, status bar and print. If you have not seen the part 2 video, first go and have a look on it, then move to the part 3 video. Now our first topic is terms related to internet. In this we will learn about the different terms. The first one is URL. It's also called Uniform Resource Locator. URL is also called web address, tells the location of any web page or file on internet, same as our house address. If we want to move anyone house, we need an address. In same internet also, if we want to go to another website, we need a URL address, as like www.google.com, www.youtube.com, and so on. This is the area where you write the URL after HTTP. The next term is www, that is also called World Wide Web. It is a network of computers which are connected together and allows you to contact, send and receive documents such as text, images, video, audio and other resources all over the world. Means if I say that www is just like a net which are connected with all the thread, and we can access all the thread by entering any URL. In www we can easily search or download images, audio, videos and text. Also we can do chatting also in www. So this is the important part of the internet searching. Mr. Tim Berners-Lee is a creator of www. Remember this part? Who is the creator of www? Mr. Tim Berners-Lee. So www is a part of internet which used worldwide as www.google.com or youtube.com. Next term is net surfing. Surfing or browsing means to spend time for searching the thing on internet. It means that if you want to search anything on the internet, whatever time you give for searching, that is called net surfing. Finding anything on the internet is called surfing, and you find on the internet, that is called net surfing. Next term is net surfer. A person who regularly uses the internet, means finding something on the internet is net surfing, and the person who use internet to find something on the internet is called net surfer. As you can see in this image, a person is doing a surfing. I have given this example image because it's a perfect image. You have also seen in a television or live also that someone surf on the water near the beach. Okay, as in this way you can also understand someone surf on the internet to find something. The finding something is net surfing, and the person who find is called net surfer. Next is download. I know you have downloaded many things. So the download means saving something on your computer from internet, like song, games, movies, etc. Whatever you want to save from the internet using this type of icons, this is called download. Next one is chat. Talking to someone on internet, usually by exchanging text messages. I know you have all done this also. Today's we are using WhatsApp, Facebook. These all are also chatting apps. Okay, Twitter, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook. These are also social site medias which help you to chat. In which we chat within two or more than two persons through text, via text or via, you can say, videos also. By video call also we can chat with the one another. That is called chatting. Next topic is what are search engines. Those are the terms. Now I am going to tell you about the search engine. Search engines are the programs which are used for searching anything on the World Wide Web. As you have also searched, I am giving you some name of the search engine, just like Google, Bing, Yahoo, Ask.com, AOL. These are the famous search engine. When you open any browser, just like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, the first page appear, that is the search engine. In Google Chrome, this is the search engine of the Google Chrome, that is called Google. Now, uses of search engine. There are several uses of search engines which gives benefit to our life to search anything on the internet, just like for studies, for entertainment, for shopping, or for research and work. Means whatever you want to search, you can just write it. As example, it is written here recipes. After writing here recipes, I click on the Google search and it gives us different list of recipes. Now, how to use Google search? I'm going to tell you how to use. This is the search engine that is called Google. Okay, now I'm going to tell you how to use Google. For using the Google, we just want to follow some simple steps. The first one is open any web browser and type the URL as www.google.com. The URL is www.google.com and the World Wide Web it is www or google.com. In the address bar and press enter key. When you write www and press enter key, this page will appear. The arrow it is showing about the where you write the URL, that is https://www.google.com, and after writing this, when you press enter, this page will appear that you can see where it is written Google and the search box is there. This page is the default home page of Google Chrome. In second step, the Google page will be opened. As I have told, when you write the URL www.google.com and press the enter key, the Google page will be opened. This is the image of Google page. You can write anything on the search box and find it whatever you want. To continue with search, click mouse in the search text box. Means whatever you want to search, you have to just click over the search text box and write whatever you need on the internet. After clicking on it and writing, just press the enter key and your result will be displayed on the screen. This is the image of the search box. In fourth step, as an example, type recipes in the search box. After type recipes in the search box and when you press the enter button, then see what happened. It gives the several results of recipes text, different websites, different images, different text and all. You can find blue text appearing on the screen called hyperlinks. The blue color text is called hyperlink, which can be clicked to move on that particular link. When you click on the blue color, it takes you to the next page. This area is called hyperlink, okay, where blue color is written, that is hyperlink. You click on this and it takes to the next pages. It is not possible to display all the link on one page. To continue with other pages, use the icon to jump on page 2 and so on. Several links are there. Thousands, millions of people are using internet and giving their options on the internet. So in one page it is not possible to carry on that. So what we do, we search it with the use of Google area where we want to search all the hyperlinks, and after clicking on the next page we get different type of hyperlinks at every next page.
This image represent at the bottom on the Google site where we click on 1 to 10 and next, and it gave result according to the page number. Now I am going to tell you the important full forms to be remembered which is used in this chapter. There are mainly 7 important full forms which you can remember. The first one is ISP, that is called Internet Service Provider. The second is HTTP, means Hypertext Transfer Protocol, where you write the URL HTTP colon, remember. The third one is www, that stands for World Wide Web. It used to search all the things worldwide. The next one is Geo. This is the example of ISP, Geo in Reliance. The full form of Geo is Joint Implementation Opportunities. Next one is URL, that is called Uniform Resource Locator, which helps to search all the URL, all the address. The next one is modem. This is the device which used to connect to the internet. The full form of the modem is modulator and demodulator. You have to write both. Now the next one is BSNL, that is Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited. This is the Indian government telecom service which helps to give telecommunication area. Now our chapter is finished. Now I am going to tell you about the recap of whole chapter including all the 3 parts. We learn about network, means connecting people through internet is called network. Different advantages for studying, for shopping, for searching jobs. Different disadvantages, as you can say, different errors are there, not blindly accepted, cheater sites are there. Basic requirement for internet, which is a computer will be there, ISP will be there, modem, broadband. These are the basic requirement. Phone lines. Parts of browser window, we have learned about the different parts of browser window as status bar, tab, menu bar, workspace and all. In this part we had learned about the terms related to internet as www, chat, download, net surfing, net surfer, and different more are there. After then search engine, which used to search anything on the internet. Uses of search engine, different uses are there for studying, for entertainment and all. And the last one is 5 basic steps to use Google. How to use Google step by step and search anything on the internet. We have also seen the importance points to be remembered, the full forms. I hope dear students you like the video and learn many things from this video. Next time to solve the worksheet. Solve the worksheet, go through the video twice and thrice and clear your doubts. Very soon we will meet with the next chapter, with the next topics, and it's all also interesting for you. Till then, enjoy your day, solve the worksheet, be healthy, be safe. We will meet soon. Thank you and bye bye. Have a nice day.